Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Christine. I'm here today with our local HUD consultant, Gerald Stewart. We're going to be talking today about the difference between a HUD consultant and a home inspector. So, Gerald, I get asked a lot, is your appointment as a HUD consultant the same thing as a home inspector does?
Actually, there big difference between the two, where a HUD consultant will go out and inspect the property and price out the material and labor that's needed to perform the repairs that are required per FHA guidelines. Whereas the home inspector is basically going to identify the deficiencies within the property and let the buyer know what repairs maybe they need to seek further investigation before they move forward with the closing of the loan.
So on a home inspection, typically the buyer who pays for it, don't they sign like a waiver with a home inspector typically?
They typically do.
So the waiver means that if they miss something, you're not responsible, or they're not responsible if they miss something in the inspection, but you're still paying anywhere from $400 to $1,000. So, I mean, obviously that's a little bit of an issue because if they miss something, it's your problem. I would say that as a HUD consultant, you're going to be diving deeper and pointing out things that they really should.
Absolutely. I mean, that's one of the major concerns is because our work is looked at by the underwriters as well as the appraisers that are going to go out and pretty much double check the work of the HUD consultants.
So if you are looking to do a renovation loan, a conventional renovation loan, meaning Fannie Mae Home Style, Freddie Mac Choice, or an FHA 203K, typically you're going to need a HUD consultant. Their report is a 35-point report broken out in labor and material, and they meet the minute you get into contract, they'll schedule an appointment. So I'm here for all your needs. While I do renovation lending, I also can do move-in ready. So if you're unsure if you want to buy a home that's move-in ready or you might buy a fixer-upper, I can handle both for you. So please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips.